Hello friends and welcome to this business presentation where I'm going to share how you can earn part-time income without disturbing what you're currently doing. So before I begin, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Padma Krupa Nela and I have about 15 plus years of experience in operations and global marketing. Currently, I work as a freelance consultant in quality and training. And apart from this, I'm building this business in network marketing on a part-time basis, and I'm doing it very passionately. So what are some of the things that we can achieve through this business? Let's look at a few examples. If you're looking for extra income, this is a perfect opportunity. You can also achieve financial freedom or have your own business where you don't report to anybody. Or if you're looking for more spare time with your loved ones, then this is something that you need to look at. Or you're looking at improving yourself or developing your personality. This is a very good opportunity for that. If you love traveling or you want to help more people in life, if you love meeting new people, then this is something that you can do. Or let's say you're looking for an early retirement, then this is an amazing opportunity. You can also leave a legacy because through this opportunity, you get to leave the income even to the next generation. And I'm going to show you how. When do I say that a person is 100% happy in life? Well, broadly classifying, there are four things to look at. One is health, second is wealth, third is time, and then security. If we can have all these in abundance, we can say that a person is really happy. How do we achieve this? The first category is employees. Most people go to work, but they don't enjoy 100% health or wealth. Time is again very limited because we have only the weekends off. Security is negligible because we see so many people losing jobs in the current situation in the recent pandemic itself. Well, the next category of people are self-employees. They don't have a job, but they own a job. They are their own bosses. So they do see a little bit of wealth. Coming to health or time or security, again, they don't have this because they're very busy, they have to keep working. And we have also seen that very small amount of people have been able to open their shops in the current pandemic. So this segment has also suffered. The third category of people are business people. These are people who have at least 500 people under them. So yes, they have lot of wealth. They have little bit of time and health also. But coming to security, again, it's negligible because businesses purely depend upon market conditions and various other factors. The fourth category of people are investors. These people have lot of money, they are born with lot of wealth, or they have extremely good businesses and they have succeeded in it. So they put their money to work. They invest the money that they already have in either stock exchange or real estate or mutual funds. And so they see lot of wealth and they see lot of time. But coming to security, again, it could be 50-50% because we know that these markets, whether it is stock exchange or real estate, they are very volatile. Now, if I take a population of 100 people, in that 97% of people fall in the first two category of employees and self-employees. Only 3% are in business and investors. So how does one go ahead and take the leap from the first segment to the second segment? You know, as I am doing my current job, to start a business would be difficult. But I can start my own business through another opportunity, and that is through direct selling industry. And through this, I will show you how you can have excellent health, make lot of wealth, have lot of time, and also have security. So what exactly is direct selling and how is it different from traditional marketing? So on this slide, if you see on the left side is traditional marketing. For example, if I buy a pen, I will buy it from a retail shop or a stationery shop or a supermarket. Now he will get it from a wholesaler who will in turn get it from the distributor. It could be a local distributor, regional distributor, or a national distributor, who will then get it from a stockist or a carry and forward agents, who will in turn get it from the manufacturer. Now the same pen which has cost me 100 rupees will actually cost not more than 30 rupees for the manufacturer, including his profit. So if you see, there is lot of money in this distribution channel and advertising through which we know about the products. Almost 70% of money is here. And this money is taken from the consumer and distributed over here. Now coming to direct selling, what this manufacturer tells us is, he is going to eliminate this channel of distribution and give us the products directly. So thereby 70% of this distribution amount is being saved, and he is willing to share it with us through various incentives and awards. So we become the face of the company and we become the mouth of the company. So this is how one makes money in direct selling. So what is the company that is giving us this opportunity? The name of the company is Ayush Mart. The parent company is Amity E-Retails Private Limited, was established in 2012. They started off with 5 plus products, and today we have more than 500 plus products under the umbrella of this company. All the products are in FMCG, personal care, healthcare range. You know, this industry is always in demand. These are also called as good morning to good night products. And the best part is we have these products which are of excellent quality. They are herbal and they are organic. All right. And so this is the company that's giving us the business. You can join the Ayush Mart business by registering yourself with your name, email ID, phone number and date of birth, and by paying 699 rupees for a combo kit where you get 6 products in the personal care range. If you don't want the personal care range, you can also opt in for any one product in the healthcare segment. So once you sign up with 699, you also get 10 points. Now you can kickstart your business and help more people to join along with you. So the business is based on binary system, and you can have people join under you on your left or on your right. So initially you need to have 3 people under you. So the company will give you 200 rupees as incentive for that. So you can join them like this on your left and your right, and the third friend can come either under the friend 1 or under 2. So next, when you have a 4th friend on your left and 5th friend on your right, you get another 200 rupees as incentive. So from this stage, the company pays you for every pair that joins under you. There are 2 cappings here. That is, every 3rd pair you do not get the amount. Like if you see, if you have the 6th and the 7th friend, this amount goes to the company. Also, in a day, you can have 5 pairs. So your daily earning at this level is 1000 rupees. As you continue referring people in your business, let us say you have 15 people on your left and 15 on your right, you will reach a leadership level called Pearl. And at this level, your daily joinings can be up to 6 pairs. Not only that, when you have 1 Pearl pair under you, the company also pays you a bonus of 500 rupees. And at this level, you can have 5 Pearl pairs every day. So your daily earning is 2500 as Pearl incentive. As you continue referring people and you have 15 pearls on your left and 15 pearls on your right, you will reach a level called silver. And here your daily capping increases to 8 pairs. Not only that, when you have 1 silver pair under you, you get a silver bonus of 1000 rupees. And again, the daily capping is 5. So per day you can earn 5,000 rupees at this stage. And you also get an insurance coverage of 5 lakh rupees at the silver level. The next level is gold. That is when you have 15 silvers on your left and 15 silvers on your right, you will reach this level called gold. And here your daily capping again is 8 pairs per day. So you can earn up to 1600. And when you have one gold pair under you, you will also get an incentive of 3000 rupees. So you see, as the level goes up, your incentives are also increasing. And in the gold level, you also get a health insurance coverage. And this is not just for you, but your entire family, inclusive of 4 people, 2 adults and 2 children. Similarly, when you have 15 golds on your left and 15 golds on your right, you will reach the next final level called diamond. And when you have one diamond pair under you, for that you get 8,000 rupees per pair. And your daily capping here is again 40,000. And when your business continues, let's say you have 15 diamonds on each side, you will become a royalty achiever. From this level onwards, you become a profit shareholder of the company and you get 5% of the company's profit. Not just for you, but also for the next generation. Now let's see the total earnings that you can have at the diamond level. So when we include all the earnings right from the daily joinings and each incentive at the pearl, silver, gold and diamond, you will see that you can earn up to 64,000 plus rupees every day at a diamond level. Now, even if your structure is not exemplary, and let's say you make even half of this amount, it is huge, right? So this is the potential of earning money on sponsorship alone. The company also gives us other incentives and rewards. One such thing is called awards. Like here, if you see, based on the points that you're generating, let's say for each person that you join, you get 10 points. So when you have 25 people on your left and 25 on your right, you reach 250 points matching, and then here you get a watch. So as the points keep increasing, you can avail all these gifts. So it includes smartphone, it includes Goa tour, laptop, Bangkok, etc. The next level of income is leadership bonus. This is purely you get this amount to do weekly meetings. So it starts from silver level and goes on up to diamond level. And you can see the amounts that you get on a weekly basis. Again, now when you buy products every month after you become a distributor, even on the repurchase, company gives us incentives. And there is a ranking again, similarly, like the sponsorship ranking. So it starts from distributor, goes on up to diamond. Starting from 1 to 5,000 business volume, you get 5% incentive. And it keeps increasing. At each level, the incentive increases. Starting from 5%, goes up to 20%. The next incentive that we can get is conveyance and travel. So for the same repurchase that I'm doing, I can also claim travel conveyance, and this starts from 250 rupees onwards, and if you see, it goes on up to 1,25,000. Now that you have seen all the benefits and incentives that you can have through this business opportunity, I also want to show you how ethical and legal our business is. Here are few of the legal documents. Here is the certificate of incorporation. Then you have the GST and PAN card information. The company is high on quality, so they are ISO 9001 and 2015 certified. There are certain other legal documents such as e-governance and good manufacturing practices and HACCP management system. This slide shows the endorsements from various governments, the Government of India, the Telangana government, and High Court order. The company also has permission to do direct selling. This talks about the FSSAI registration. So here in a snapshot, you can see all the certifications and accreditations that Ayush Mart has. Also all the trademarks, that is Amity Life, Ayush, Amity Bazaar, Daiba Care. All these are brand labels through which we have our products. Thank you very much, friends, for joining me. This brings me to the end of the presentation. And if you would like to join the business or if you would like to have more information, kindly call me on the numbers mentioned on the screen, and I look forward to going ahead and helping you. Thank you so much.